Thanks for cruising with Freya. I'm QP. I can sing and dance.
And I'm Willard. You already know, white men can't dance. And trust me, you don't want to hear me sing. In our last video, we visited Hatchet Bay and Alice-town. This time, we're headed to Governor's Harbor again. Hopefully we'll make it. Please help us out by following us on Facebook and subscribing to us on YouTube. Our work is always public and free, but tips are greatly appreciated. Consider visiting our page on Patreon. Thanks for your help.
Come on, everybody, let's go!
The run from Alice-town to Governor's Harbor was quick and easy. Freya did well under all three sails, and we did not need to run the engine until the last turn into the harbor. Yes, we could have tacked back and forth, but we're lazy. Once we were safely anchored in 3 inches of sand over rock, which means I dove down and placed the anchor in a hole in the table-like rock, the girls wanted to go to shore and dance the night away. Most of the dancers were made up by exchange students from America. Freya's girls seemed to fit right in with the 15-year-old students. With just a little bit of urging, QP convinced some other sailors to go dancing. Here's QP teaching the students some new dance moves. And just when I thought QP was down for the count, even more of the cruisers joined in the dancing. QP and Bubbles outlasted all of the other cruisers. I thought we were headed back to the boat, but the motorcycle gang was irresistible to QP. This was the last dance for us, but the music and dancing went on until 2 o'clock in the morning. I wish we had a sunset picture to say goodnight by, but that's long gone.